Hi there. You see, eating is a requirement, but eating healthy, now that's an art. And that's why here at Terry's Kitchen, we aim to provide you with the best quality food. Food prepared using farm fresh, organic vegetables for a better and healthier you. What's even better, for those customers who'd like all this prepared while they watch and also partake in it, then Terry's Kitchen is going to send you the most qualified chefs so they can come and make you that presumptuous meal all from the comfort of your home. So like this short clip and bring me one step closer to bringing you customer delight, leaving you wanting more. Thank you.